o'clock already?
I got permission from my boss to come in late.
8 o'clock already, wow. Don't worry, I've already talked to all the customers.
Don't worry, I've already done dishes, folded laundry, took care of your stuff.
You get a
Made
pass.
plans for what I'm gonna cook you twice today.
I forgive you. I'll delete this section.
Hi, Kitty.
Luna's been waiting for
Hi,
you.
Luna.
She needs snuggles.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Alright, you're forgiven.
Oh, thanks.
If you're asking. Thanks, what a great lady. I said, what a great lady. I was over singing your praises.
What did you really say?
I said, what a great lady. You have to watch the video now to see if I'm telling you the truth. Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. Got the 2016 Chevrolet. It's the Impala. It's got the big 3.6. Simple job today. It needs new rear springs. Easy peasy. Got some OEM springs from Chevrolet. We're using our Astro Tools half-size socket. So this is the 22.5 mm. It works great when your nuts are a little bit swollen, which they always are on these Chevys. Your standard 22 mil is always just a little bit snug. This gives you that little bit of slop. Oh, let's see here. Easy job. We're going to use the transmission jack here. Block of wood, get it set so when it cuts loose, it catches you right in the teeth. Put a little pressure on that lower control arm. Take the nut off the inside. Easy. There's that. It's gonna have a little pressure and or tension, however you want to call it, on the knuckle here. You knucklehead. Down we go. Top insulator is probably going to come with it, and it does. So the bottom of the spring is snapped plumb off, as they say. Save your top insulator. We'll have to get the rest of the broken spring off there. Use a little pry driver. Probably could have bought new lower insulators, but we didn't. Here's your broken spring. Reinstall the insulators on your new spring. There is no upside down, right side up on these ones. Sometimes there is. Usually, sometimes there's white paint marks. You have to look in service data. I think they usually go up. Or oftentimes the tighter wound coil, I believe, is the general rule that goes towards the top. Those could all be wrong facts that I'm spitting out. If your insulator is missing, that's not a huge deal either. Majority of the time they are gone. I forgot to get her new ones. Line her back up. So close. Stay. Let's go up a little bit more. Sometimes you get her in the sweet spot. Get her in my sweet spot. Kind of sketchy prying against your block, I'll give you that. What do we got for a hammer? Oh, we got the back of our bar. Oops. Let's just get past it. Time to get past it. Oops, we got our torque setting 1. Easiest way to get it through. The edges of the control arm, because it's formed aluminum, they're quite sharp. And you can use that to your advantage, because it'll catch a thread there on the bolt. Stick the nut on the back side here. Classic reach under. Had to look, not gonna lie. Still missed it. Make sure it's wiggly jiggly. Hey, hey! You don't want to fall on your noggin. We're gonna come out here a little bit further. Time to do some sketchy. This side we can't pick up. We're gonna have to set her down just because of the way it's positioned on the lift. We got to get this up to ride height and then torque our bolt. Sometimes you can get lucky. You can do it on lift. These cars are usually pretty light in the ass end. Should have left the car back a little bit further. Oh man, he slipped out too soon. 51 pound-feet of torque on this particular make and model. And then a quarter of one turn, or as they refer to it as 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle wrench, just mark your bolt head. Where we at there? 35. Well, we're coming close. Where we at? 72. There it is. Home free. There you have it, folks. Easy peasy. Always remember to place your lower bolts. Also, leave your stickers on because that makes people go bananas. And just do them in a pair so the car's not sitting cray-cray. Don't forget to put your wheel on. You gotta have your wheel. $110 pound-feet torque.
Well, hello. Hi, kitty. Your eyes all boogery. You wanna go see mommy? Huh? You wanna go inside? Yeah? Come here. Come on.
It's easy as that, folks. Make sure you, like I say, you set it at ride height, replace all your bolts and all that stuff, and you'll be in good shape. And obviously follow service data, not some stupid YouTube video. And the only other advice I could give you is when you're all done, take it to the alignment shop. Drive around a little bit, get the springs kind of sit where they're going to sit, and then go in and get your alignment done because this will affect the toe in the rear just because it changes the ride height slightly. That's it. Comment section, folks. Questions, comments, Insta, the Facebook. You know where we're at. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.